Right.
Do you know my friend went to Hannibal lecture and they wheeled him on the trolley? My best friend's husband went to Hannibal lecture. You know when they wheeled him on the trolley?
Right, let's pre-bake some. We're going to start cooking in half an hour. We're going to start actually serving in half an hour, so we're going to pre-bake about 10 pizzas. So, let's go. Right, first one out. Sorry. So the first one cut out. We'll see how these goes because they might be a bit cold. No, that's not too bad. These ones are fine. It's cold today. He's been sitting indoors this time in the client's house, so.
Did you see what we're doing?
What?
Don't like that to you.
Hey! This is the best Halloween pie I've ever seen, honestly. Right, the first one we're going to do is a garlic bread with, caramelised onion. It's in the box. That's right.
That's what I need to try.
Thank you very much. Yes, everyone loves this stuff.
And I was thinking, I will try that. That's what I'll try.
It's the best. Right.
How many are you going to do? 3 4 garlic breads? 3?
Yeah, 3 I reckon. We can always do more. Right, first one. In. No, I'm going to pre-bake some so you'll get busy and beat the rush. Well, that one can be cheesed. That one cheesed. Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
And then I'll put the caramelised onion in the set once I turn this around.
Why do you put the parmesan on as well?
Just gives you that extra flavour. Slightly underdo it because we're going to put it back in. There's one. Second one going in. Let's cut the next one out. So it will turn. Might turn this up a little bit. No, it's doing all right, it's fine. So nice and warm now, it's freezing earlier, wasn't it?
Yeah. It's warmer once you get through the oven.
Yeah.
But you
That's another cheese and another garlic bread with caramelised onion. Oh. Oh no! I'm sorry. That's all right, it's fine. No! I'll get a tissue for you. Sorry.
Right, Tom. And they've just opened a soft dough. It sounded like it was flying, weren't it?
Yeah, it just opened up and seems really busy, so that's fantastic. Right. Stick on this one now. Third garlic bread, and last onion in. Next. Another one. Should we do 4, yeah? I reckon 4. It's just harder to stretch. It's not too bad because this has been resting for... This one I'm using now has been resting all day pretty much, but it's the ones that recently I bought up are probably about 5 hours ago and left them inside and made them sure they're warm. Because it just gets harder to stretch, just a bit of a nightmare, that's all. And just needs more time to rest.
She's Chinese, because she will Oriental.
Third one par baked. We'll do one more, yeah, we'll do one more garlic bread. And then we'll do some margaritas. On the thank you. Right, fourth one in. I like to press that cheese down a little bit so it doesn't fling at the back of the oven. There we go. Right, next one in. Right, let's do a margarita next. I've been here, I've been here.
Mate, having cheese.
Bit of basil stripped on the first of all, and then yeah, just a bit of that. It's perfect. 1 sec, sorry, Sam. Perfect. Yeah, a bit of basil as well. It's gonna be a margarita. Looking good. The underside's looking absolutely amazing. Right, that's 4 of them done. Next, thank you.
I don't drink it. I'll have a bit all up it.
Marg going in. Right, that's my top tray done.
I've got my big packet in the car. Thermal. I've got that on. Thermal. And that's the top, and then the top of the top. Still hot? Yes. Are you tired? Stop right now. Thank you very much. I need your love like you need love.
You got to dance in front of the camera, Sam.
Oh, not again.
Come on.
Oh no.
Right. Another marg, I reckon. Another marg. Right, that could be a marg. Pre-baked one. It'll be put back in soon. Very nice.
So I'm going to send it back.
Lovely, that's perfect. Thank you.
I sent it on what did it? What did it
Another margarita going in. And a bit more round. Right, next one's going to be spicy pep. Sorry, I'm going to go your. Lovely and soft now, been inside in the warmth, so that's great. Working with the dough, as long as it's kept inside, it's going to be wonderful. Like it's nicely stretches out really easily. Wonderful. Right, there's that one. That one can be a normal pepperoni. Sorry, spicy pepperoni. That one can be. Yes, please. Sorry, I'm in your way, and I. Sorry. Par-baked. Margarita number 2.
Planes are low,
Cheese. What's that? Don't worry, it's all right.
Did they know the planes?
The what?
Planes.
Yes, because we're right by Stansted. Yeah, I know. We saw a few, didn't we? Ryanair.
Yeah, jet set.
Made us just want to go on holiday, I think. Sam was just like, should we just get on that plane? So I wish. Right, sorry. Right, next one's going to be a non-spicy pepperoni.
A what?
Just a normal pepperoni, non-spicy.
Non-spicy, yeah.
Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from? Canada Joe. Right, that one's ready to go.
Pepperoni.
Yes, please. Sorry, I'm in your way. Where did you come from? When? A little bit more. Don't eat too much, you've got to eat some pizza. How long have we got? We have got another 15 minutes before service. Perfect. So we're doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7's in here. Let me do another 10 altogether. There we go, spicy pep, hard baked, ready to be fired in soon and served. Lovely. Thank you very much. Joe. You must know this song. I was going to say you don't know what it is. I was like, you must know. Is that a Costco's job as well?
No, only the range.
The range, oh yeah, they did loads.
Which goes on. Did you know if you tried to have a lay down? Oh, did you know that the girls phoned me? Half 11 at night.
Smells so good. Smells absolutely banging.
No, I'm going with my husband's. TikToks and
That can be just cheese and tomato for the prosciutto later. Check the underside. Perfect. All good. That's all good. Nothing's enough. All good. Par-baked pepperoni. Next. If we have too many snacks and we won't be able to eat too much pizza, we need them to eat lots of pizza tonight. I've got plenty of dough. Yeah, of course, yeah, no worries, we've only got a couple more. So we've got another 1, 2, so we're doing one more after that. That's 10 pizzas par bakes, that's going to beat the rush, and we're going to smash it. We've got 50 guests tonight, and I'll tell you what, the best Halloween party I've ever seen. Honestly, amazing, absolutely amazing, love it. Good vibes, good music. Great party, that's why I love doing these jobs, absolutely love it. Right, that's that one. What shall I do next? 2 prosciuttos and I'll do 1 more prosciutto and then a veggie. The veggie's least favourite and we can always make some more. But we'll do some more veggies obviously, but pepperonis always do well, so we do like to do a few more veggies, a few more pepperonis. Yeah. So with these ones here, because it's a prosciutto, I cook it first, just like a cheese and tomato pizza basically, and then we'll finish it with prosciutto, rocket, white truffle oil, perfect finisher. That's absolutely best looking pizza. Absolutely love it. Not my favourite. My favourite's the pepperoni. That's it. Par baked, ready to go. And once that's done, we'll top that just before serving.